Morning students. In this video class I am going to explain about the loop traversal. Okay, what is traversal? First you have to know what is traversal. Traversal is nothing but accessing each and every element in the sequences. For example, if you are taking the loop means, okay, if you are taking the list, sequence data types, list, tuple, string, if you are taking any data types, it's a collection, right? Consider a list, for example. Here it's a collection of 10, 20, 30, 40, collection of integers or anything, any data types. Okay. So if any collection is there, if you access each and every element in the list, then we say it is a traversal. If you are just accessing the elements in the list, accessing the element in the sequence data type or list or loop, or string or tuple, we can say it is a traversal. So it's the other name of list traversal is called as list loop or list as loop. Okay. So I am going to explain this only. Okay. So accessing every element in a list is known as list traversal. It can be done with the help of for loop. Mainly in Python, the for loop is utilized for accessing the elements in the sequence data types only, like list, string, tuples. Okay. So there are two ways we can able to access. The first method is this index. Okay, normal your for loop syntax for loop variable in list name. For example, a equal to 1 2 3 4 comma x y z, like that one list is there. Okay. So as what's the syntax for loop? For I in, for variable in sequence. So for, here my variable name is I in, here which sequence data type we are using? We are using a list sequence type. What's the list name, list variable name here? A. So I in A, print I. So what will happen here? A, what is this A? A is nothing but this list. So for loop is used to iterate the statements. So in the first iteration it will take the 1, second iteration it will take 2, the third iteration it will take 3, fourth 4, like that it will take. So in the first iteration, what's the value of I? 1, print 1. Again for loop, now the I value is 2. Again, now the I value is 3, so print I. Again, I value is 4, print 4. Again, the I value is x, y, z. So, whether I accessed all the elements in the list? Yes. This is called traversal. Okay. If you are doing for the list means it is list traversal. If you are doing for a tuple means it is tuple traversal. You can use string also. Okay. For example, here welcome, if you use like this, what will happen? The same thing, print I. So at first it will print W, then E. In the first iteration it will take W, then E, then L, then C, then O, then M, then E. Okay, so in the first iteration it will take W, second iteration E, then L, then C, then O, then M, E. Okay, this is the first syntax, your normal for loop. There is another two ways we can able to use the for loop, right? The first one is using sequence data types. Second one is using range function. The same thing I am going to use with the help of range. Okay, A equal to 1 2 3 x y z. This is the list. Okay, write the for loop for variable name. Here my variable name is I in range of in the list. I already taught you one important function. What is that? Len of. Did you study? Yes, len is a function used to find the length of the list. So in the range of len of A. What is len of A here? 1 2 3 4. Your length is 4. where length is 4. So what is here? Range of 4. So it will create the sequence 0, 1, 2, 3. Len of A is used to calculate the length of the list. Here range of 4. So range of 4 means in default it will start it from 0. So n minus 1. End is n minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. In the first iteration, what is the I value? 0. Right? So print A of I. Print A of I. The first iteration, what is the I value? 0, right? So A of 0. In the list, this is 0 index, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Correct? So A of 0. In the A list, which one is in the 0th position? 1. So it will print the output 1. Again in the next iteration, the I value is 1. So print A of 1, which is located in the 1 position, 2. Again for loop. Now I is 2. So A of 2, which is located in the 2nd position, 3. Now I of 3, which is located in the 3rd location, X, Y, Z. Okay. So 2 ways we can able to traverse the sequences. Here I did the list traversal. I hope you understand this concept, student. Thank you.